Welcome to my video. In this video, I show you how to display VLAN information of switch interfaces. First, you use MIB browser software and OID string to check the VLAN information of each interface. The link to download this software is in the description of the video. Here is a list of interfaces and corresponding VLANs. This is the port status checker that I introduced in the previous video. Or you find it in the description of this video. Next, I add the VBA code to display the VLAN information. Because interface 1 has no VLAN, I do it with interface 2. Here you will get at interface 2 with VLAN information of 1140. Continue with all the remaining interfaces. You should edit a little more to make it easier to see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.